LeBron James, you're having the best offseason of your career. Thank you. YouTube, what's good? It's your guy Hitch. For starters, shout out to Nike and teaming up and partnering with Colin Kaepernick and letting him be a part of their Just Do It campaign. I love to see that. Now, last week started off being great when LeBron went to his IG story on Tuesday and told us that we were getting these Christ the King Jones. I have been dying to get a pair of LeBron 1s, 2s, 3s, maybe the 4s, and I need to double back and get the 11s. But for them to start retroing the 1s, which I still haven't got my hands on, I need them St. Vincent, St. Mary's. But when I seen they were starting to retro his kicks, that was great because when I was in college, I was broke as hell. I was dusty with braids, and all my money went to J's. I didn't buy anything if they weren't Jordans. If you know anything about these, back in '06, he gifted Christ the King basketball team out in Queens, along with friends and family, this PE, and the public never seen them. So on Tuesday, if you were in the New York area, you were able to sign into the app, the sneakers app, and then actually go and get them. Now, LeBron also went back to the school on that day, if I'm not mistaken, and gave out the shoes again, which it's amazing to just see how LeBron is as an athlete off the court. We all know he's great on the court, but what he does off the court is amazing. On Wednesday, they then had a sneakers pass where you were able to reserve them and then go pick them up. Mind you, I struck out on both of these opportunities. The good news was Thursday, Foot Locker and Jimmy Jazz released them, and I was able to get them, so that's good. Now, I was thinking, most people think of the 8s as the sneaker that set off LeBron's colorways. I think the 3s were the sneaker that set it off. His All-Star Game joints, the Gloria PEs that he had, the Team USA PEs that he had. The 3s are a huge staple in his line. Not only do they look good, but he went to the playoffs for the first time in his career wearing these shoes. The 3s are necessary. I've never owned a pair of LeBrons other than these 13 lows. Hopefully, there will be a little bit of a wider release on these because they were extremely limited. They only released in New York City. So if you weren't able to get them, you can check StockX and all those other resellers. So I went out to Brooklyn this morning to pick these up. Now, I just realized this. I know I paid tax, but Jesus, $14.88 worth of tax, actually, plus whatever that is. So that's OD. So the retail on these Jones was $175, $190, 54 cents with tax. I'm from Jersey. We won't pay tax on kicks. But this is the receipt. As far as this box goes, I told you, I've never had early LeBrons. I know the 11s had a slide-out box like this, so I'm not sure if this is the exact kind of box that it had back in '06, but this is the box you have now. It's all orange. Here's your official name and colorway, Zoom LeBron 3, Christ the King Quick Strike, and your colorway is white, deep maroon, and Bordeaux. And your retail of $170. I went true to size, and they do fit true to size. You have your Nike logo here, Nike logo at the top, Nike logo everywhere. And then the box slides out. There's nothing in here but some paper. That's it. As far as these go, these joints are fuego. I'm excited. You can hear the excitement in my voice because my favorite LeBrons are the 1s, the 2s, the 3s. The 4s are cool. 8s, 11s, and that's where it gets quiet. I haven't seen another pair of LeBron since the 11s that I really do like. So as far as the shoe goes, a majority of this shoe is patent leather. Starting on your toe, you have your leather on the toe. The leather is soft. It's a little bit stiff, but it's soft. So not going to complain about it. I think this is some decent leather that you have. And then around your toe, it's all white patent leather. You have your old school. So some of y'all may not know, this was LeBron's old logo when he first came into the league, LJ23 with the crown, before they switched it because he went and wore number 6 in Miami. And as you go through your upper, all white patent leather around, going up to your heel, and it wraps around the heel as well. Now, the upper that has the Bordeaux on it It's like a stiffened or a hardened suede. I think it feels good. Maybe delicate. That's the one thing I would say. And then you have leather strips for your lace loops. And then on each one of those lace loops, you have movable chrome, well, not chrome, but they're gold accents for your lace loops, and they move a little bit. And then you got a LeBron, some LeBron wording here. But these joints, they look good. They really look good. Then you have your swoosh on the ankle. One thing I've always liked is that they've always been creative in where they put the swooshes on LeBron's shoe. He may not have the best shoe out, but I always love how they move the swoosh around, and they don't make it just standard on all his shoes. Like if you look at all the Kobe's from the 8s on, all his swooshes are on the lateral side. So all patent leather. Get around to the heel. You have Roman numeral 3 because these are the 3s. Nice little pull tab here to put the shoe on. And then everything's symmetric. When you get on this side of the shoe, the medial side is all symmetric. Your old school LeBron James logo again here. And then you have CTK. So Christ the King, again, it's a school out in Queens. And he was actually there, man. I said it. LeBron's having the greatest offseason ever. I think it's dope what he's doing. He was out there and gifted them shoes again. And then you get to your tongue. Your tongue is all leather. It feels like synthetic leather here. It's very soft. And then you have some more leather at the top of your tongue. You have your lion where you can actually lace through the back. And then you have some patent leather before that. The details on these are crazy. I'm a dumbass for not buying LeBron's back in college. But when you got limited funds, that's what you do. You buy J's. So on your midsole, all white midsole, and then you have that gold that wraps into the outsole. And as you can see, on the left shoe you have 2, on the right shoe you have 3 in your midfoot. And it's all zoom. So for cushioning, these are comfortable. I have worn them around. They are comfortable. So I went true to size. I got a wide foot. They fit my feet snug. So I don't think anybody would have an issue with sizing. The only thing I was thinking about with LeBron's shoe, do y'all remember when bum-ass Fabulous started calling John Slim Thick? Well, I call these Slim Bulky because they look bulky. They honestly look like a bulky shoe, but they don't fit that way. They don't feel that way. They look great casually with jeans. So unlike the closing ceremonies that I said only look good with shorts, you can wear this with whatever. Joggers, shorts, jeans, and still be good. So then when you get to your outsole, you got a carbon plate in the midfoot, LeBron by your toe, and then you got your swoosh at the bottom of your heel. Inside of the shoe is all mesh in the Bordeaux color, and then you have your insoles. What I like about the insoles is that they're actually stitched. So instead of this being a sticker that typically rubs off because of wear and tear, this is stitched on here. This ain't going anywhere. The most that it will do is get dirty. Entire Bordeaux insole with your old school LeBron James L23 logo. Please stay tuned. Keep watching through Foot Locker and different apps. I do think, I'm not sure, don't quote me on this, I do believe that these are going to turn into a little bit wider of a release. And if it does, and you're looking for them, don't miss out. So what do y'all think about these? I think that these are a 5 rating. Classic shoe. There's nothing about this shoe that I can complain about. The materials are on point. The details are on point. They're comfortable. I got them as a 5. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Won't fear no nigga, never switch my click. Won't give no statements, disrespect no chip. If we all stay down, then we all get rich. Shit.
What's good, Glenn?
Won't fear no nigga, never switch my click. Won't give no statements, disrespect no chick. If we all stay down, then we all get rich. Won't fear no nigga, never switch my click. Won't fit no nigga, never switch my click. Won't give no statements, disrespect no chick. If we all stay down, then we all get rich. Won't fit no nigga, never switch my click. Shit. R.P. to Dashi screaming long live cat. Who the hurtin' late nights, watch that pain just stab. Cut off his own arm just to bring you back. It's all love for you, we gon' have to live through that. Same cycle keeps spinning, more pain, more homicide. I'm no better in my mind, you shooter gotta die. Clutching on my weapon, won't see tears in my mama eyes. Daddy hitting home, got me traumatized. Your boss give you shit, late nights don't cease. You express your gripes, he don't lose no sleep. If you quit that gig, how your kid gon' eat? Do you play that game or back to them streets? Do you work that job or sell drugs, get paid? While your dreams on max, minimum still wage. One thing I know, cradle to that grave. I won't fit no nigga, never switch our game. Won't fit no nigga, never switch my click. Won't give no statements, disrespect no chick. If we all stay down, then we all get rich. Won't fit no nigga, never switch my click. Won't fit no nigga, never switch my click. Won't give no statements, disrespect no chick. If we all stay down, then we all get rich. Won't fit no nigga, never switch my click. Shit.
If you can't put your life on the line, I can't trust you. You can tell the team look strong, we all muscle. Ice on the neck, keep making her eyes shuffle. Sticking to the code, more money and less struggle. I had to put the pieces together with life puzzle. If they could put fear in your heart, they might touch you. I understand that rules are different and things change. Niggas bite my style like it's part of the food chain. It's principle and honor, paper and marijuana. He went from a boy to a man without a father. You chase checks, but we don't take checks without a comma. Black James Dean, a Guyanese Madonna. Living for the future, cause everything is behind us. Passports, we out of the country, come and find us. All you see is foreigns and foreigns, all sporty. Different type of story, from poverty to glory.
Won't fit no nigga, never switch my click. Won't give no statements, disrespect no chick. If we all stay down, then we all get rich. Won't fit no nigga, never switch my click. Won't fit no nigga, never switch my click. Won't give no statements, disrespect no chick. If we all stay down, then we all get rich. Won't fit no nigga, never switch my click. Shit.
You already know what it is, man. I was once told that fear go in the hearts of weak men.
Fear go in the hearts of weak men.